Hello everyone. So welcome to the new series that I'm doing. So this is my second time filming because I forgot to press this button and the whole thing was muted. And yeah, I'm redoing it. So this is called the Design Digest, and I'll be talking about all my design and art favorites of the month. So this one is for the month of October. So yeah, let's get into it. So number one is this nail set done by an artist inspired by Kumkum Fernando, who is a Sri Lankan artist that I really do admire because he has a design background. And in Sri Lanka, something that I had to figure out by myself was the fact that being a design, an artist who's based in design is okay because it was quite new. I mean, still it's really new in Sri Lanka, and he's one of those artists that's given me hope, and I mean, continue to give me hope, regardless. And he has inspired me. And main fact about his work is that he's inspired by Sri Lankan art, and he simplifies it, and give it a punk identity. Number two is Bear Kind by Rosalia. I think it's such a great piece of art, especially because in these days people do music um, just because they want it to be trending on TikTok. And this was one of those pieces I've realized is a great piece in terms of art direction, in terms of in the name itself. So I wouldn't go into detail, but I would say it's about anxiety, and how she portrayed it through an orchestra is my favorite part about this whole artwork. And it's really brave to do that when everything is really commercialized. So the number three is this rug, Iraqian rug. This artist has made a rug design through coding, and his idea is the fact that coding and weaving is very similar, very same. I mean, it's a different kind of a language. You can see the same thing in Sri Lankan Dumbara. If you have read few articles and researchers, you'll understand that there is such a depth to how they create those patterns in it. And he has understood the amount of depth that came into it, and it's still being called as craft, but it's kind of a really advanced art form. He has this intention to make people understand the importance of crafts through merging it with the importance